Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the TEVO Retro 201 joystick gamepad. I did some reviews about the Funny Playing plug and plays. They look a little bit similar like these, only the Funny Playing had Sega games and this one has 200 games. I'm guessing homebrew games. Don't know. We're having 8-bit and of course the Funny Playing were Sega 16-bit. Connected directly to your television. So I found this one on Amazon. I was thinking, this can be interesting. So let's check it out. It has been imported by I'm guessing a German company or something like this. Let's see, it says here, imported by High Toy Gift Ltd. Or Ltd. So that means that it's an UK company. Okay, very curious what comes inside. Sport puzzle and arcade shooters. Let's open it up. I didn't do that before making this video, so we're going to do it together. Together. Very curious what we're going to get. Da-da-da-da. Alright. Ooh, it comes with this deluxe poster. No, it's not a poster. Okay, that is some weird shit. Oh, some basic explanation. Different languages. And let's see, we're having the AV out cable over here. And we're having this little cute, tiny plug and play. Oh, I can tell you already, it's exactly the same like the Sega versions, only this one, same housing, different sticker, and it got some different games. Okay, it needs some batteries. It got this very small AV out jack, so yeah, old school composite. And we're going to open it up, and I'm going to grab myself a screwdriver because I need some batteries. Alright, so let's do a little bit of an overview what you're going to get with these plug and plays. We're having the reset button, so that brings you back to the main menu, pressing start for starting the game, E and B. So that's it. The joystick itself, it's very stiff and it's more like a D-pad. They put a mini joystick on a D-pad. So that's how it feels. There's no real micro switches or whatsoever. At the back we're finding the on off, AV out and the LED for power on. Here we have the battery compartment. So that's it. That's the only thing we're going to get with it. Alright, let's see, let's open it up. Grabbing my very old screwdriver. Alright, I'm guessing, yeah, I guess right. AAA, yeah, 3 of them, like the Sega models. Let's put them in. This video is not sponsored by Panasonic. I just like the batteries. I buy them from The Action. Yes, people, we have a store that's called The Action. Because it's always action with the action. Alright, let's see. Ooh, LED working. Ooh, that's very bright. Alright, feels quite heavy now. Alright, let's plug it in and let's have some action! Or, yeah, some retro game fun. Woohoo! Alright, so this time we don't have any depressing sounds or rip-off from original games. And we're having Magic Egg. Oh my god, this is exactly the same list that came with the Action Mini Arcade Machine. A lot of these China, so they're all homebrew games, keep that in mind. Okay, I see one familiar one, this is a very cool one, the F-22. This is a really cool game. So hearing the sound that play on Paul. That plays really slow. Oh, I must say the joystick is very responsive. Come on, give me the power up, give me the power up, I want the power up. The other one doesn't do anything. Okay, let's go. Come on, bring it on. To be honest, I can play it all day. It's a really fun game. Just a basic shoot 'em up, power-ups. The stages are very long, I can tell you that. They're very long. And the bosses have shitload of health. It's not really challenging, just avoiding the bullets or the some bullets. It's not really bullet hell or something like that. If you look at other shmups, like Giga Wing. Oh, I just lost. I lost my power up. Oh, cool. I got some extra airplanes. Yeah. So shall we check what's more on it? Reset. Let's see. Magic Johnny. Press wrong button. Oh yeah. See, they have a story mode. Okay. Oh. What do I need to do with the chest? Eat it or what? What do I need to do with the chest? Whatever. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Did I finish the stage or what? Oh crap, oh crap. Press the one button. Oh, it gets me one up. Cool. Okay, I have really no clue what to do with this. Alright, reset. And let's try another one. Can tell you, let's play Start. I've played it before and oh my god, it's horrible. It's already horrible, people. Oh my, yeah, it's really horrible. What? Oh my god, no, no, make it stop. Make it freaking stop, people. Water pipe. Yep, pipe game. And alright, so when you're using it and you're done, can I switch to the other pipe or I'm just stuck with the pipe itself? Oh, okay, it shows what pipe it's going to get. Uh-huh. Can I do this? Oh, I can do that. Okay, cool. Let's put it over here. Yeah, alright. So there's a really bad ripoff of the normal game we know of. Let's see what we have more. Oh, this sounds cool. Move box. Oh yeah, we're going to move the box, people. Move it. Point and click. Move. Wow. Alright, let's try one more game. Let's punish ourselves one more time. We're going to play with the pizza boy. Okay, trust. We don't want to play with the pizza boy. Okay, that sounds, by the way, very wrong. But you know what I'm trying to say with this. Okay, so I need to go to the direction that they are pointed over here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so I need to pick up the pizza. Okay, I don't get it. Need to go back or something? Yeah, okay. Yeah, but... So I first need to go back to the pizza. Cool. Okay, so yeah, it says, okay, it makes the noise. Go back. Oh, we got a roadblock. We got a roadblock. Pizza getting cold. Pizza getting cold. Got it for a second. 3 seconds. 2, 1. I have filled my city. Can you still give him the pizza? Oh yeah, I can still give him the pizza. Stage number 2. Already own pizza or what? Oh, the joystick's not. Oh man. Oh, never mind. You get the point. Time for the final conclusion. So that brings us to the final conclusion. What do I think of this? Yeah, if you look at the games, it's just basic homebrew games. It's a funny product. It's more like a plug-and-play collectible. The games, you can find them on mini arcades and other portable systems they sell. I'm guessing maybe the brand TEVO also makes other products. I have seen some other brands using exactly the same games. So are they good games? There are some fun games, for example the F-22. I can enjoy it. I played it sometimes on my mini arcade machine. So this is what you're going to get with it. It's a basic, very basic device. I paid €8 for it. So for the money, we can't complain. You know it. That's the Wicked slogan. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.